Hey there. If you're managing an AI team, you know the feeling, right? Projects get bogged down, deadlines start to slip, and you're just not sure why. Well, today, we're going to dig into a powerful methodology born from a pretty unlikely place that promises to eliminate all that hidden waste that's slowing you down and, really accelerate your team's path to delivering actual value.
So where are we getting all this? Well, the insights we're exploring today are from Chapter 4 of a really comprehensive course on AI project management by Virtualization Options LLC. We're going to zero in on a set of ideas called lean principles, which honestly offer a fantastic framework for wrangling these complex AI projects.
Okay, let's start with the question that might sound a little weird. What on earth can building a car teach us about building artificial intelligence? And no, it's not a trick question. The answer is actually a revolutionary approach to efficiency that can totally transform how your AI projects get done.
See, these powerful principles didn't just pop up in some tech lab in Silicon Valley. Nope, they were forged on the factory floor. They came right out of the groundbreaking Toyota production system. This is where the whole story of Lean really begins.
At its heart, Lean is all about two incredibly simple but powerful ideas. 1. Relentlessly focus on what creates value for your stakeholders. And 2. Ruthlessly get rid of everything else. And that everything else, that's what Lean calls waste. Now, while it was born in manufacturing, this whole mindset has been adapted brilliantly for knowledge work, and as we're about to see, it's a perfect fit for the unique challenges of AI development.
So, to apply Lean, first you have to identify the enemy. And that enemy is waste. But in AI, waste isn't some obvious pile of scrap metal on the floor. It's invisible. It's the silent killer of productivity, that hidden force that just derails projects and delays results.
Okay, so let's translate these classic forms of manufacturing waste into the world of AI. Take waiting, for example. That's not parts sitting on a conveyor belt. That's your lead data scientist, totally blocked for a week just waiting for data access. Or inventory. That's not a warehouse full of cars. It's a backlog of incredibly valuable, undeployed models just sitting on a server doing nothing. Every single one of these is a hidden drag on your team's speed.
And it doesn't stop there. In the world of knowledge work, we've got to add two more critical forms of waste. First, wasted talent. Think about it. That's having your PhD data scientist doing manual data entry. And then there's lack of knowledge sharing, where different teams keep making the same mistakes over and over because lessons aren't shared. These are huge and honestly often overlooked drains on your resources.
All right, so recognizing the waste, that's step one. That's huge. But how do we actively fight it? How do we design a workflow that is actually immune to all these inefficiencies? Well, Lean gives us a clear battle plan.
And this is where Lean gets really useful. It doesn't just help you spot the waste, it gives you a 5-step blueprint to systematically eliminate it. It's a powerful framework you can use to build a much more effective AI team.
Now, this blueprint follows a really logical flow. It all starts with identifying value. What does success actually look like from your stakeholders' point of view? Not yours, theirs. Then you map the value stream, which means you literally draw out your entire process so you can see where the hidden waste is. Once you spot those bottlenecks, you can create flow by getting rid of them. Then you establish pull, making sure your team only works on what's genuinely needed right now. And finally, and this is key, the process never stops. You pursue perfection through constant iterative improvement.
Okay, so that's the theory. But how does this actually translate into action? Let's talk about the payoff. Let's look at the concrete strategies you can use to cut down on waste in your team's day-to-day work.
Think of this as your tactical guide. On the left, you've got those common forms of waste we've been talking about, and on the right, you have specific, actionable strategies to reduce them. It's like a diagnostic tool. So if you see your team is constantly waiting on data, the playbook tells you to improve information flow. See a lot of defects in your models? The strategy is to build quality in from the very beginning. Lean gives you a direct line from the problem straight to the solution.
And let's be absolutely crystal clear about the goal here. This is not about cutting corners or rushing work. Lean is about optimizing the entire system to speed up the delivery of real, tangible value to the business, all while building quality into the process right from the start.
So, as we wrap things up, I want to leave you with this one question to take back to your team. Seriously, ask this in your next meeting. Where is the hidden waste in our workflow? Because finding it, that's the first and most critical step toward building a faster, smarter, and way more impactful AI organization.